So very good evening all of you. Welcome to Lead Gate channel. So welcome to the महा रिवीजन everyone. तो आपको पता है कि हम लोग ये महा रिवीजन कर रहे हैं और महा रिवीजन में कल हम लोग एप्टीट्यूड में स्पेशली जो है टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस, परसों भी टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस टॉपिक हम लोग कवर किए हैं और आज भी हम लोग टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस का एक्सटेंशन देखेंगे. एक्सटेंशन टॉपिक इन द सेंस मैंने कल आपको बताया था, जैसे प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन ट्रेन्स, रेसेस. वेरी गुड इवनिंग इकबाल, वेरी गुड इवनिंग. प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन ट्रेन्स, रेसेस, ये सब हम लोग देखेंगे. बोट्स एंड स्ट्रीम्स, तो ये सब हम लोग समझेंगे. सब में वही टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस का कॉन्सेप्ट है. तो ये महा रिवीजन आपको पता है कि V4 फैकल्टीज आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर कंप्लीट महा रिवीजन. दैट इज मीनू गुप्ता मैम एंड मारुति तिवारी सर विल बी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर technical revision, and Rohit Sinha sir and me Amulya Ratan will be taking the non-technical revision. That is Rohit Sinha sir maths part and me the aptitude part. Are you getting me? Moving further, let me tell you, ये revision जो है already start हुआ है. It was started on 12th of October and this will continue up till 31st of January. The complete one revision will do, so don't miss any of the live classes, or else even if you miss the live classes later on you can watch the video for technical as well as non-technical. Okay, so that your revision will be completed before this 31st January. And my dear friend, let me tell you, अगर आप Unacademy का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हैं, if you are taking the subscription of Unacademy because you are 2021 aspirant, if you are 2021 aspirant, you can take the subscription for 3 months. Okay, for 3 months the subscription fees is 13,750, and if you are GATE 2022 aspirant, you can take the plus subscription for 18 months. 18 months the subscription fees is 38,500, and remaining all also you can take. It is feasible, you can take for any 1 month also, 12 months also, 2 years also. It depends on your requirement. But let me tell you that if you are using my code, that is AR10, अगर आप ये कोड यूज करते हैं AR10, so for you will be getting the discount directly for 3 months. No need to pay 13,750, you have to pay for 3 months just 12,375. okay, for the subscription if you are using this code over there. Okay, and for 18 month subscription no need to pay 38,500, you can just pay for 18 months 34,650, you will get the subscription. Okay, so get the benefit for using this code and share this code with your friends even, so that they also get the discount in the subscription fees, because this code is valid in all the courses available on Unacademy. So share with your family and friends so that they also get benefited with the discounts. Okay, moving further, my dear friend, let me tell you that today our question, why I am writing here question number 8, because yesterday in the yesterday's video we have stopped here. Am I right? I said you some specific concept where relative speed was easy, but still I said, what was that concept? I said you that distance covered by first object plus distance covered by second object, if it is giving you the total distance, it means they are meeting in the opposite direction towards each other. And distance covered by first object, distance covered by second object, both are equal, then they are meeting in the same direction. This concept I said. But anyhow, how that concept is useful instead of relative speed, we'll see that. But here in the question number 8, I am giving you a very simple question. Very simple in the sense 4th 5th standard students also can give the answer of this question. See, I am not discouraging you, instead I am encouraging you, because 4th 5th standard students who don't know about time and distance, they are giving the answers. It means my engineers can easily sort this out. So the simple question over here, it is, a train starts from Pune at 6 a.m. every day and reaches Bangalore at 8 p.m. the same day. मतलब सुबह 6 बजे पुणे से स्टार्ट होती ट्रेन और बेंगलुरु पहुंचती है रात के 8 बजे. Another train starts from Bangalore 8 a.m. every day and that reaches Pune at 10 p.m. the same day. अब दूसरी ट्रेन डाउन में एक और ट्रेन आती है. ओके, दूसरी ट्रेन उधर से जो आती है ट्रेन, वो रोज एवरी डे 8 a.m. स्टार्ट होती है बेंगलुरु से and that reaches Pune 10 p.m. उसे दिन same day. At what time these two trains will meet? ये दोनों ट्रेन जो दो अलग अलग ट्रेन है, ये कितने बजे मीट करेंगे? क्योंकि बीच में कहीं ना कहीं तो मिलेंगे. एक अप में ट्रेन जा रही है, एक डाउन में आ रही है, तो at what time these two trains will meet? Very simple question. starting time of the train is given, reaching time of that train is given, another train also starting time and reaching time. Every day these trains are running, these two trains are running. So at what time these two trains will be meeting? So Iqbal says that it should be 2 p.m. Good. Good. Others, what is your answer? So my dear friend, let me tell you, here speeds and all are not given. Very simple. Let us understand. Pune to Bangalore, the distance is also not given to us. Pune to Bangalore, the distance is also not given. The train which is starting from Pune, that is starting at 6 a.m. and reaching Bangalore at 8 p.m. The train which is starting from Bangalore, that is starting at 8 a.m. and that is reaching Pune at 10 p.m. Okay, and they are asking you at what time these two trains will meet. Asutosh also says 2 p.m. Very good, very good. So how this 6th standard or 4th standard students sort this question? Ones who don't know about time and distance, how they sort this question? तो वो बच्चे जिनको टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस भी नहीं पता है वो इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं समझते हैं. देखिए ट्रेन स्टार्ट हो रहा है पुणे से 6 AM, रीचिंग बेंगलुरु एट 8 PM. हाउ मेनी आवर्स इट इज टेकिंग? सुबह 6 बजे स्टार्ट होकर रात में 8 बजे पहुंच रहा है. कितने आवर्स ले रहा है? So if I am not wrong, 14 hours. Yes, 14 hours it is taking. Now the Bangalore train is starting at 8 AM. Okay, and reaching Pune at 10 PM. How many hours this train is taking? सुबह 8 बजे स्टार्ट होकर रात में 10 बजे पहुंच रहा है. 14 hours. Yes, this train is also taking 14 hours. Am I right? So both the trains are covering equal distance in equal gap of time. It means both the trains are running with same speed. क्योंकि दोनों ही ट्रेन सेम डिस्टेंस को सेम टाइम में कवर कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब दोनों ट्रेन की स्पीड सेम है. तो बिकॉज बोथ द ट्रेन्स आर टेकिंग 14 आवर्स, यस यस एग्जैक्टली इक्वल, बोथ द ट्रेन्स आर टेकिंग 14 आवर्स. सो दोज किड्स, वन हु डोंट नो अबाउट टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस, दोज किड्स व्हाट दे डू, दे डिवाइड दिस लाइन इनटू 14 इक्वल पार्ट्स. क्योंकि दोनों ट्रेन 14 आवर्स ले रही है तो इस लाइन को, पूरी लाइन को ये लोग 14 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Okay, so what they do here is this train is starting at 6 o'clock. So the down train, the Pune train, they start writing the timing. 7 AM here, 8 AM, 9 AM, 10 AM, 11 12 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM, 5 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM, 8 PM it is reaching. And similarly the Bangalore train, 8 AM it is starting, so 9 AM here, 10 AM, 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 o'clock it is reaching. So if you check out with the timing, common timing for both, it is 2 PM. It means they are going to meet sharp at 2 PM. Are you getting me? Clear? Like this, I can say like this it is. So they, if you write the timing like this, they are going to meet sharp at 2 PM. So they are meeting sharp at 2 PM. But my dear friend, let me tell you, if this type of question they have to present in the gate, if this type of question they will give in the gate, they will not give you 14 hours, 12 hours or 8 hours gap. Instead, they will give you 91 hours, 63 hours, 84 hours gap. Now you cannot take a line and divide it 91 times 1, 2, 3, 4. It is highly impossible. So there is a shortcut for this. Shortcut means condition apply. Shortcut means condition apply. Okay, so let me first tell you the condition. The condition is when equal distances are covered in equal gap of time. It means speed of the trains are same. Then only this shortcut is valid. Equal distances are covered in equal gap of time, and speed of the trains, both the trains are same, then only shortcut is valid. Okay, so here equal distances are covered in equal gap of time, both are taking 14 hours. It means speed of both the trains are same, so shortcut is valid. What is that shortcut? Try to understand. Take the starting time of one train, starting time of one train, like you are taking starting time of this, that is 6 AM, and the reaching time of another train. Another train reaching time is 10 PM. Okay, if you are taking starting time of one train, you have to take the reaching time of another train. Now from 6 AM, the starting time of first train, to reaching time of second train 10 PM, how many hours gap it is? 6 AM से 10 PM तक कितने आवर्स का गैप है? एक ट्रेन का अगर आप स्टार्टिंग टाइम ले रहे हैं तो दूसरी ट्रेन का रीचिंग टाइम लेना होगा। तो 6 AM से 10 PM तक कितने आवर्स का गैप है? डोंट से मी सर 4 आवर्स गैप, क्योंकि AM से PM भी है। तो कितने आवर्स का गैप है? इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग इट इज 16 hours gap. Is this 16 divided by 2? 16 divided by 2, half of 16, that is 8 hours. Okay, so morning 6 o'clock you add 8 hours, or night 10 o'clock you subtract 8 hours. Both the case you will be getting 2 PM, which is that meeting timing. Are you getting me? 2 PM, the meeting timing. Or else you can even take this one. You can even take this one. If you are taking 8 AM, the starting time of Bangalore train, 8 AM, you have to take reaching time of another train, which reaches Bangalore, that is 8 PM. 8 AM to 8 PM, how many hours gap? It is exactly 12 hours gap. 12 divided by 2, how much it will come? 6 hours. Morning 8 o'clock you add 6 hours, or else night 8 o'clock you subtract 6 hours. Both the case you will be getting 2 PM, which is their meeting timing. Clear? But this shortcut is valid only when equal distances are covered in equal gap of time. It means speed of the trains are same. But my dear friend, if speed of the trains are not same, then what? Because gate is gate, they can ask you anything. So if the speed of the trains are not same, then how we'll sort it out? So let's see the next question. Okay, this I think it is clear to all of you. So let's see the next question. If speed of the trains are not same, then how to do it? Then not shortcut is valid. You cannot even divide the line. So like here the question is, a train starts from Leh at 5 AM every day and reaches Kanyakumari 9 AM the same day. Oh my God, very fast train. It starts from Leh, the northmost border of our country, reaches Kanyakumari, the southernmost border of our country. Morning 5 o'clock it is starting and morning 9 o'clock it is reaching same day. Wow, very fast. This train is running very fast. Faster, I think it is going parallel with aeroplane, parallel with the flight. Another train starts from Kanyakumari at 8 AM every day and reaches Leh at 2 PM the same day. Oh, this train is also very fast, but not that fast. At what time these two trains will meet? Come on, try the answer for this. Now you cannot draw a line or divide, or neither you can use any shortcut, because here the speed of the trains are not same. Tell me the answer. Now yesterday, let me tell you, here one train is starting from Leh 5 AM reaching Kanyakumari 9 AM the same day. Another train starting from Kanyakumari, that train is going to Leh, that is starting at 8 AM reaching Leh at 2 PM. So at what time these two trains will meet? Because 5 AM to 9 AM, that is train is taking only 4 hours. 8 AM to 2 PM, the Kanyakumari to Leh train, it is taking 8 AM to 2 PM 6 hours. So here you cannot use shortcut, neither you can divide the line. Okay, and write the timings. So now let us understand. Yesterday when we were discussing some trains question, like a train was starting from Ahmedabad going to Jabalpur, and down train, reverse train was starting from Jabalpur going to Ahmedabad, means opposite direction. Okay, again one more train starts from Delhi, reaches Kolkata. Second train also starts from Delhi, reaches Kolkata in the same direction. Both the cases I was knowing that if I say you the relative speed concept, it will be easy for you. Relative speed concept was very easy for you, but still one concept I was trying to input here in your brain. Two objects moving in the opposite direction, they will meet only when distance covered by first object plus distance covered by second object give you the total distance, and in the same direction they will meet only when distance covered by first object, distance covered by second object, both are equal. Why this concept I was saying to you? Because this concept will be useful to you in this type of questions. Okay, so here two objects are moving in the opposite direction towards each other. Then what will happen? Distance covered by first object, distance covered by second object should give the total distance, then only they will meet. Okay, and here total distance is not given to us. So let's say total distance is some x kilometer, and the train which is starting from Leh, that is train 1, and the train which is starting from Kanyakumari, that is train 2. Train 1 is covering this x kilometer in how many hours? Train 1 is covering this x kilometer in how many hours? 4 hours. So can I say speed of train 1, it is x by 4 kilometer per hour. Distance by time is the speed. Am I right? Similarly, what about the speed of train 2? Train 2 is covering x kilometer from 8 am to 2 pm means in 6 hours. So speed of train 2 is x by 6 kilometer per hour. Distance by time is the speed. Okay. Now you can consider either after 5 am in some x hours they will meet, or else after 8 am in some y hours they will meet. X variable you cannot take because x already we have taken. या तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि 5 am के बाद कुछ hours में मिलेंगे, यानी तो starting time 8 am के बाद कुछ hours में मिलेंगे. So let's say that I am declaring that after 5 am in y hours they are going to meet. Y variable I am taking because x already I have taken. मैंने ये डिक्लेयर किया है कि 5 am के बाद y hours में दोनों ट्रेन मिल जाएंगे. It means that 5 am train is traveling for y hours to reach the meeting point. So 5 am train, that is the train 1. What is the train 1 speed? X by 4. This is the speed. And it is traveling for, this is the speed, and it is traveling for y hours. So speed into time is the distance covered. X by 4 into y. Speed into time, distance covered. This is the distance covered by first object. Now what about the another object, second train? What is the speed? X by 6. But this x by 6 train, the train 2 is starting at 8 o'clock. We are taking y value from 5 o'clock. This train is starting 3 hours late. So it will travel for 3 hours less. So it will be y minus 3. Speed into time, distance covered. Distance covered by first object plus distance covered by second object should give the total distance, that is x kilometer. So is equal to x. Now let us sort it out. Left hand side, if you take LHS, if you take x common, what is left over? Y by 4 plus y minus 3 by 6 is equal to whatever x you have taken here common, send that x right hand side. So x by x get cancelled, equal to 1. So here in this equation you will get the y value. Y means how many hours after 5 o'clock? No, I should sort it out. Okay, I'll solve this out. So moving further, let us solve this out. 4 and 6 LCM is 12. So send that 12 right hand side is equal to 12. Okay. Now 4 3s are 12, so this is 3y. 6 2s are 12, so this will be plus 2y minus 3 2s are 6. So 3y plus 2y is 5y, and minus 6 goes that side, plus 6, 12 plus 6, that is 18. So what is y value? Y value you will get 18 by 5. 18 by 5 hours. 18 by 5, if you write in mixed fraction, it will come 5 3s are 15. 3 by 5 hours. Ye 3 by 5 hours from where? From 5 o'clock. So from 5 o'clock just add 3 hours. So time will be 8 o'clock. From 5 o'clock add 3 hours, it will be 8 o'clock. Again we have to add this 3 by 5 hours also. So 3 by 5 hours, 3 by 5. 3 by 5 convert into hours, convert into minutes. So 3 by 5 into 60. So 5 ones, 5, 12 are 60. So 12 3s are 36. Means they are going to meet sharp at 8:36 am. They are going to meet sharp at 8:36 am. This is the answer. Exactly 8:36 में दोनों ट्रेन मिलेंगे एक दूसरे से. Is it clear? If you are not able, yes, exactly 36 minutes, Iqbal. If you are not, if the font, I think my writing is, if it is not clear to you, I have given you in the next slide, I think the complete same thing, the definition. Okay, if you want, you can take the screenshot so that it will be helpful to you. Clear, Iqbal? Very good, very good. Remaining people also? Yes. So my dear friend, let us go to the next topic, which are the extension of time and distance. Time and distance के topic जिसका मैंने वादा किया था, boats and streams, problems on trains, races, ये सब समझते हैं. तो problems on trains. अब आप बोलिएगा सर अभी तक जो क्वेश्चन देखे ये तो ट्रेन्स पे ही थे. तो यस अक्षय, वेरी गुड. सो प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन ट्रेन्स क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस देन? प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन ट्रेन्स, व्हाट इज न्यू इन दिस? सो लेट मी टेल यू, इन प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन ट्रेन्स व्हाट विल हैपन. लेट्स से देयर इज अ ट्रेन, इट हैज टू क्रॉस ए सिग्नल पोल और ए स्टैंडिंग मैन कंप्लीटली. एक ट्रेन को एक सिग्नल पोल या स्टैंडिंग मैन को कंप्लीटली क्रॉस करना है. कंप्लीटली क्रॉस करना है मतलब ट्रेन इंजन हैज रीच्ड देयर, द कंप्लीट ट्रेन शुड कम आउट लाइक दिस. Means what the train is trying to do, ट्रेन इज ट्राइंग टू क्रॉस इट्स ओन लेंथ फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट, एक पॉइंट से अपने खुद के लेंथ को वो क्रॉस कराना चाह रहा है. सो डिस्टेंस व्हाट विल डू, डिस्टेंस विल टेक लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन इटसेल्फ. व्हेन ए ट्रेन इज ट्राइंग टू क्रॉस ए सिग्नल पोल और अ स्टैंडिंग मैन, in the place of distance will take length of train. Yes, exactly, Madhu. Length of train divided by the speed of the train. Distance by speed, you will get the time, in how much time that train can cross a signal pole or a standing man completely. Okay, distance की जगह हम लोग length of train लेंगे और divided by speed of the train आ जाएगा हमें कितने टाइम में वो ट्रेन जो है एक सिग्नल पोल या स्टैंडिंग मैन को completely क्रॉस करेगा. लेकिन be careful, the distance, the length of the train what you are taking, that will be given to you in the question as meters, and speed of the train will be given to you in kilometer per hour. My dear friend, before using any formula, time formula, make the unit similar. I said you in the starting itself, always make the unit similar before using any formula. And maximum try to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, because options will be given to you in seconds. If it is given in hours, then you can convert this meter into kilometer. That is clear to you. Am I right? So here I have given you the same thing. When a train try to cross a signal pole or a standing man completely, distance we have to take length of the train. Okay. Now, Madhu, more lectures are required. We cannot say that all these lecture is sufficient. See, Madhu, I say that YouTube only I am helping you out, but once you study there, that will be again something extra. Once you take the plus subscription, that will be something extra, Madhu. Are you getting me? That will be something extra. Okay, YouTube, it is free, so no problem, you can go through it. It is just a revision. It's just a revision. And we can't say that even on the plus whatever you study, that is sufficient. See, you should be aware of it. Everything you should keep on practicing, because faculties are not everything. Okay, faculties are everything, my dear friend. Every student who study, they should get single digit and double digit rank, but all do not get. So you have to practice from your end. You keep on practicing. Now, when a train is trying to cross a platform or a bridge or a tunnel completely, means train will come like this. Here train should come out. So what we'll do, in the place of distance, will take length of train plus length of platform. Because if you take length of train, the train will reach here. Okay, from this point the train will reach here, but train has to come out from the platform as well. So train length plus platform length. If it is bridge, then train length plus bridge length. If it is tunnel, then distance will be train length plus tunnel length. Are you getting me? Divided by the speed of the train, will get in how much time it will cross a platform, bridge or tunnel completely. Clear? Yes. Okay, so same thing, but unit make it similar. So here I have given you, when a train try to cross a platform or bridge or tunnel, distance is length of train plus length of platform or bridge or tunnel, whatever it may be. Bajrangi is suggesting, Madhu, you watch all special class, it will be benefited. Okay, okay, very good evening Bajrangi. क्या बात है, बजरंगी भी गाइड कर रहे हैं. Thank you very much Bajrangi. Madhu, watch all the special class, it seems Bajrangi is suggesting you. So anyhow, moving further now, if a train is trying to cross another stationary train, standing train, so stationary train is same like platform. So distance what will do? Distance will take length of train 1 plus length of train 2. स्टेशनरी ट्रेन मतलब खड़ी हुई ट्रेन है. ये मत सोचिएगा कि स्टेशनरी मतलब इस ट्रेन में कुछ गुड्स ट्रेन है, इसमें कुछ शार्पनर, पेंसिल, इरेजर ये सब रखे हैं. स्टेशनरी मतलब खड़ी ट्रेन है. ओके, तो प्लेटफॉर्म जैसा ही है. तो लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन 1 प्लस लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन 2. ओके, नाउ a train is trying to cross another moving train in the same direction. So distance will be moving train, distance will be length of train 1 plus length of train 2. But what will be the relative speed? Relative speed, what I said, in the same direction we should subtract. So difference of both the train speed, that will be the relative speed. लिए नहीं क्या करूं बजरंगी. आई एम अनेबल टू प्लान बजरंगी. थोड़ा सा हेक्टिक चल रहा है बजरंगी. एज सून एज पॉसिबल मैं अरेंज कर लिया तो मैं डेफिनेटली कर दूंगा बजरंगी. ओके, and train is trying to cross another moving train in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means in the parallel track. Don't think that same track it will cross. So parallel track, then what will do, distance will take length of train 1 plus length of train 2, but here relative speed will be sum of both the train speed. Is it clear? सिर्फ चेंजेस आपको रिलेटिव स्पीड में होंगे, सेम डायरेक्शन में डिफरेंस ऑफ द स्पीड, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में सम ऑफ द स्पीड, लेकिन डिस्टेंस हमेशा लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन 1 प्लस लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन 2 ही रहेगा. ओके, मूविंग फर्दर. तो माय डियर फ्रेंड, हियर आई हैव गिवन द सेम थिंग. Distance will be always length of train 1 plus length of train 2. Same direction, speed we have to subtract. Opposite direction, speed we have to add. Okay. Now, here is the question. Try the answer for this. If a train traveling at 40 km per hour crosses another train of length 100 meter traveling at 14 km per hour in the opposite direction in 30 seconds, then find the length of the train. Find the length of the train. So let us understand. A train is traveling at 40 km per hour, crosses another train of length 100 meter. Okay, traveling at 14 km per hour in opposite direction in 30 seconds. Find the length of the train. One train length is already given to us. Here two trains are crossing each other. So distance will be what? Distance will be length of train 1, that is 100, plus length of train 2, that is what we have to find. Length of train 2. Okay, this will be distance. Now, if you see, speed is speed. Relative speed we have to take because both the trains are moving. So relative speed, one train is running at 14 km per hour, another train at 40 km per hour, and they are going in the opposite direction. So relative speed we have to add, that is 40 plus 14, which is equal to 54 km per hour. And I said you convert this into meter per second by multiplying kilometer per hour to be converted into meter per second. What we have to multiply? 5 by 18. I said you in the starting of time and distance. So 18 ones, 18 how much is 54? If I am not wrong, 18 threes are 54. So 5 threes are 15 meter per second. Am I right? This is the speed, 15 meter per second. Okay, now time. Yes, Akshay, exactly. Now time how much it is taking? So you got speed. Now time how much it is taking? 30 seconds. Okay, this is in second already. Okay, now distance is always equal to speed into time. So 15 into 30, which is equal to 450 meters. This is the distance. What is this actually? It is length of train 1 plus length of train 2. So 450 should be equal to 100 plus length of train 2. So what will be the length of train 2? What is train 2 length? 450 minus 100, that is 300 meters. That's it, simple. Just you have to understand, that's it. Very simple, nothing more than that. Yes, Bajrangi, 300, clear? So more question we'll see. Oh God, there is a technical issue. Just a moment. Yes, it is connected. Sorry guys. All of a sudden the video struck. So guys, I think this video, please mention in the chat